Welcome back. There are 40 million decks in the U.S. that are more than 20 years old, and about 4,000 people are injured due to decks each year. Tami Michaels joins us now with some tips on deck maintenance. And Tami, what is the average lifespan of a deck anyway?
You know, it should be about 15 years, but as we were talking, there's like so many that are over 20, and they really need to be inspected. And you need to look at all the loose boards. That's number one.
Yeah, what do you do when it comes to deck maintenance?
Well, I would look at the boards, and if there's anything that is loose or warped, you want to replace it. See, that's just terrible. But however, also look under the deck. If it's close to the ground, use a selfie stick, run it under there.
Good point.
And yes, run a little video, and then you'll know, because if there's rotting down there, you want to get it repaired.
And if you have boards like we just showed you, get rid of that for sure.
Yes.
Okay, you also recommend cleaning the surface.
I do. This is really important because they get mossy and you can slip and fall.
Yes.
It's really important. Now, I like to use natural vinegar and water, about a cup with a gallon of warm water, but spray washing it is also good. I start at about 700 psi. I don't go much more than 1,500.
Because you don't want to wreck the wood. You just want to get the moss
you just want to get it off. So you can look at it. If you're getting it clean, back off.
Yeah, okay. So, and after you've cleaned the surface, what's next?
Well, then you're going to want to look at the stain. And usually it's going to need another coat. And so
every year? Are we staining every year?
You know, you want to look at it. If you are facing south, you get a lot of sun, you might need to add a coat. But what I like to do is say that you want to keep your eye on it with new decks and with decks you're recoating, because it can puddle. If it does, you're in a mess. I did this. I learned the hard way being a rookie. So you want to make sure that you do this because you want your deck to protect from all the elements. We get a lot of rain.
Right, and we do not want rain puddling. Right.
No, we don't.
Okay, railings. They're especially important, so make sure those are in tip-top shape.
They are. And I'm a scaredy cat, so what I tell people to do is use your rake. Give it a good little jerk, you know, so if it moves, I think it needs to be replaced. I like the new synthetic railings because they require far less maintenance.
Yeah, if you are replacing an old deck or adding a new one, what do you recommend in terms of material?
Oh, that's such a good question. And what I tell people is that you get what you pay for. I don't endorse any one specific brand, but ask a lot of questions because there's usually a good, better, best. And I think that is how you will end up with a deck of your dreams. And in the Northwest, it's what we love.
Oh, look at that deck, Tami. Is that your deck?
I wish, but what I have to say is that, you know, this is something we should embrace this time of year because we have, you know, such a temperate climate and we can enjoy warm evenings. Exactly.
Okay, real quick, look at the lighting on that deck. Is that something you recommend too? I love that lighting.
I do, especially in the dark, because you don't want people tripping and falling going down your stairs. So I love this, and it is something that was worth devoting the segment to.
Absolutely, I love it. Okay, with tips like this, you can have a deck that is in tip-top shape as well. Tami Michaels, thank you so much. We'll be back right after this.